We all know how quickly you can lose track of the applications you're submitting during your job search. But with iHire's job search tracker, you can stay organized, track your applications, and make sure you don't miss any important details or deadlines. Using our job search tracker can be incredibly helpful in a number of ways. It allows you to see the progress you're making in your search, and if you're not getting as many interviews as you'd like, it can help you to identify areas where you may need to improve your resume, your cover letter, or your application materials. Additionally, it can help you keep track of which jobs you've applied to, so you don't accidentally apply to the same job twice. You can find the job search tracker from the home page. The number in green indicates the number of jobs you're tracking. See the total number of jobs you've saved, applied for, any incomplete applications, interviews you've scheduled, and offers you've received. You can also join the talent networks of employers with iHire company profiles. This is just one more way to network and let employers know you're interested in learning more about their organization and their future job openings. We also show you the jobs you've recently viewed or discarded. Easily update the status of saved jobs when you apply, interview, or receive an offer. Or you can stop tracking jobs at any time. Add specific notes to each job, such as the interviewer's name, follow-up plans, or offer details, and move the job to the appropriate category. Using the job search tracker can keep you motivated and focused during your job search. Job searching can be a long and sometimes frustrating process, but tracking your jobs can help you to see that you are making progress. By tracking jobs, you can stay organized and on top of all the different opportunities you're pursuing. It also helps you make the most of your time and make adjustments along the way. If you need further assistance with your job search, contact our customer success department or set up a call with your career advisor today.